What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Hello Baby Official. Guys, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the return subscriber. I appreciate. And today it's a special day to me. I thank God for the gift of life, man. Oh, that's my hairstyle. So at least I look the beauty. And today I pay a visitor around this house here. We called American House, the new style in our village here. So I'm heading this way. On the other side, there's my Huguenot's place, and this side, Nastos. So we stay like neighbors over here. Wow, guys. Hey. So today's videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. But in our village here, everywhere construction, guys. This is the sand over here. We have cement. Oh man, balance stones, and it's remind me during my construction of my toilet, guys. Look at the beauty of flowers. And over here, one-on-one.
One-on-one. How are you, bro?
I'm good.
This is Hello Baby, eh?
Yes.
So today you decide to come and pay me a visit, of which something good. We've been a good friend
Yes.
for a long time, and we've never even given a shout out. So today is a good thing, and I appreciate that. So he is home. This is my house. I'm constructing an A-frame house.
Yes.
You can just show them.
Oh, here or in the phone?
Oh, no. Let me show them the phone, and then we'll show them the
Oh, guys, you know me, I was passing there and see this A-frame house.
Yes, and
actually this design, most of the people, American people, build this house.
Yeah.
And you're the one who built this house in our village here.
The first one, the first person,
one.
eh? So it's something good, eh? So
Something
the
good.
Bushman dude is here, is doing well.
Hey.
He's at 2.5 something.
You're a
So it's
celebrity,
something,
bro.
yeah. So I'm trying step by step, and through if we meet together, like when you come to and give me a shout out, that shows that it gives me also a heart, yeah, yeah, to keep on. So you can go on and see the house. I think you're free.
Take me around, and then even maybe I can meet your wife.
I don't know if you love flowers and something. You see like this one.
I see.
This one actually goes. How do we say? Scroll around, crawl something. You see that
Maybe
so
here
many.
you can put a metal and then
They
it
go
scroll
up.
up.
Oh, maybe I was thinking about that. This species put in the balcony, so that can now start coming down this way. So this is a house. This is the down house. You can see these are kitchen slash. You can put a couch somewhere. I don't know. The space is very small, but we're thinking to extend this one because it's extendable to the other areas. We can just create a door here.
Yes.
That's what we are thinking.
For other side.
Yeah, so if you want to go to the A-frame house, you go through these stairs, but now you see they are not yet strong, like you can't walk here.
You can walk slowly. So
But okay, you just walk then and go.
you walk. It's not
Because
you
know why I'm telling you that? Because still passing there is a problem. You still want to create a space, but you can still go. If you can bend, that's fine.
Oh, guys, me, I was watching this.
Yeah, no, you live like the Bushman dude. So you pass like a thief here should not pass. It's a problem for you to break up there. Because you have to come this way.
Wow. Hey.
Oh. Now we are going to cut these three.
Ooh. Hey, finally.
Yeah.
Just over
So
here.
this is our A-frame house. This is the front part. You can see the back part.
How are you guys?
Those
Good.
are my guys working.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've not yet done partition or something. So this is the front part. This is the main door. You want to have a sliding door.
Oh.
Yeah, this one will be glasses. And up there also glass.
Hey, Bushman, here we
Because
sit in the evening.
Now if you sit
watch
here,
the views.
Yeah, if you come to visit me like a good friend of mine here, Nyama Choma is a must here. You have to
Here, barbecue.
Yeah.
Hey.
See, I did another artificial plant flower here.
Hey, you love
And
flowers,
yeah,
man.
I love because nature. You know, nature is beautiful. Eh? Nature is beautiful more than even people.
How do you feel? You sit here, you watch my Huguenot. You sit here, you watch people who passing on around the
I
road.
want to see there is some rocks.
Yes.
Me when I sit here, I want to watch the rocks.
The rocks,
And also the sun comes from that side.
that side.
Yeah.
And
the near town is here. If you can see.
here is a risk, bro. You must put a grade.
Yeah, we have to put this one. The house is not yet finished. So we planning to have a wooden one, not metal, because
Why?
most of them No, we love wooden because
No,
this
no,
house is full
no.
of
Here
wood.
it's raining. You can put metal.
That's what I was thinking, but now some metal. Maybe you look for metal those that does not rust. Yeah, those that does not have.
For example, for a more going to solar panel, they put a metal one. But for you here, you need to put the strong one here.
Yeah, we have to put anyway. The point is, we have to put something there at least to hold because it's very dangerous. Someone can fall to this.
Yeah. For example, guys, when I'm going down and the baby pressure goes up, my friend, I fall down.
That's why we say this house is still under construction.
Yes.
So it's not yet finished. Yeah, you see, even here it's very dangerous. But for me, it's safe for me.
Now it's safety.
Yeah,
but
it's
for
safe, but
kids,
I have to put something here like glass, something. You know, the house is not yet finished.
And there you can watch Tanzania.
I love this because I love nature. I tell you, I love nature. I love the forest, the green thing. You know, this is the bushman dude. The bushman dude lives in the forest. The bushman dude lives in the forest. So what do you expect? So I love nature. You know, I love animals. You know, I love giving life to things.
And he's nice to my. Hey,
Nasto is
what? Look, guys.
So when he flambing there, I am like, Nasto, you killing me.
Hey. Oh.
So.
Guys,
Guys, those who are watching us, please go subscribe to the Bushman Dude, at least to the road 4,000, even 10,000.
And their wife.
Possible. And my wife.
Give
my
white
wife. Gabi Vas. That's her channel, yeah. Gabi Vas.
And I'm passing to greet her.
Yeah, she's down here actually.
Guys, let me try. No, Bushman, you go and then I will follow you. What?
Yeah.
Hey.
No, baby, we've really become a Jamaican.
Well gone, guys, because of the hairstyle. Jamaica, you can do what you want.
Africa. No, you're not used to Africa.
You know Jamaica is our motherland.
Motherland.
Jamaica.
I present Jamaica.
Yes, even me I have mine.
We said the green land, the land we love.
Yes. The land of Jamaica.
Jamaica, yeah. They say he's green. I say when someone says it's very green, our life is beautiful. I say Jamaica.
Jamaica.
This is my baby's flower. You see, it's very red, and you know, love. And also, we have Jamaica. I've realized there's one of the Jamaican.
Yes.
Present Jamaica.
Look at this.
Sativa.
Ganja.
Yeah. So just came alone, and I don't know why I've decided to be
maybe
baby's flower.
Maybe
it came with that thing.
Okay.
Maybe.
Oh.
What's maybe?
You take care of that, Jamaica.
Okay.
Look at this flower.
So this is the bucket, and you can see the pillar. This is the pillar that goes in the house. Yes, and guys are...
Tata Beta. Ekiore tata. Tata mbuye. Yeah.
Anjita, hello baby.
This is papai.
Yeah, this papai. Let me remove this one at least. It's growing, eh? It's
Sure.
Leave it there.
Sure.
You have so many lemons and so on, and there's even some more forest trees inside there. Yeah.
Hey.
It's amazing, guys.
Whew, I was watching this kind of a house in America and more so in TVs.
No, baby, hello baby. Now you're in Jamaica. You're in America now.
We are in America.
Okay. Say Wagwan people.
Wagwan people.
Yeah. Please
Yeah.
subscribe to
Subscribe.
the Bushman Dude, yeah? The Bushman Dude here.
Whoa. Hey.
So
And inside here there's a huge house, a space house.
you see how that's what I was telling you. I want it to be wood, but still fine.
And on the rooftop you put a ceiling board and then
Put something here.
you forget.
I didn't forget hello baby. How did I forget the house still in the
So
progress?
here you can close everywhere,
one, you know what
and
I
then
wanted
here
here?
you create a door.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you now.
So here it can be
now-
a private house.
Yeah, but now I have to consult my vet because I want them to extend from here to this and create a door. We initially wanted this one to be a parking area, but also we have this one can be
A parking area.
yeah, someone can park your car.
Oh.
In future, hello baby, maybe you'll have an airplane. Come on.
No, you just choose this side will be a house,
Yeah,
and
and
this
this one
house will be a
parking.
parking.
Yeah.
Maybe on the front you
Yeah.
create a store.
A store, yeah, a
Yes,
store actually.
yes,
You
there.
have a good idea.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. My baby, you want to go and say hello to my baby?
Yes. Woo, guys,
It's the first time, huh?
Jamaica.
See? This is our porch. You can sit there and
This is a porch.
you're going to build it this way, run this way, this way.
Slowly,
so it become
slowly.
one entrance. Yeah.
Yes. Things is so guys. Welcome.
Yes. The bed is here.
They're on a call. Let's give her some minutes. Yeah.
So that's it, hello baby. So this is a peaceful place. This is where I call home.
And I can sit here. Maybe.
Yeah, you just sit anywhere. Soon I'll put you some chairs here. I know this will be a place for barbecue and nothing else.
I saw even me one day when I build my house.
Make sure you put everything that you want. You think it will help you.
Me, I want to live maybe a good life. I don't want maybe to stress myself. Yeah. Sure.
I don't want to stress myself.
Yes.
Not maybe. Why do you stress yourself? You know, you look every day working hard, every day taking content, every day, every day, because you want your life you want to live a good life. You've already lived a bad life.
Yes.
So why do you want to go back to the bad life?
No.
It's to go and go on.
Yes.
And live a life that you deserve.
From my entire life, may I do what I can. Yes.
Yeah.
And for now, I can do what I want.
God has blessed you. Just keep on and enjoy life.
Jah bless me. Ooh.
Yeah, don't fix yourself like me. I'm saying I've been struggling like all the.
Imagine.
Now I see I have my house and I'm very comfortable. You see, even if I feel like sleeping down here, I'll sleep at my own peril. Yeah.
Can sleep.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But now I don't want to go back where maybe everyone want to aim higher and higher. So it's something to be happy, to be proud of.
Bushman, you try your best, bro.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
You know, construction is not easy.
It's not easy.
Even me, I build my own toilet, the modern one. Hey.
Your own toilet,
but
it took a lot
4
of money.
bedroom.
Yeah.
Wow.
It took a lot of money.
A lot of money.
A lot of money.
And the room was so big. But I'm trying maybe guys to build one.
The good
and
thing,
I forget.
yeah, once you've started, once the problem is to start. But once you've started, you can do even more.
Hey. May I respect
because now you know the criteria. It's step by step. Today you do this, today you do this. And then of you wake up and you finished everything.
And at least when you get maybe money, you put on construction,
it's Sarah, it's not a waste. Yeah.
But then when you think that when I get a lot of money, I can build a house one at a time, slow, and then the end of the day you finish up.
Yeah, you finish up.
But me, I realize one thing: construction you can't finish. You can do even 5 years.
You can do every day.
Yeah, every day.
You want to say like this window is not nice. Let me change. That's still constructing.
You do a window and then next day you say, no, I want to paint the door. Yeah. You paint the door. You want to do maybe kitchen garden. Hey,
you see,
woo.
Still construction.
And this is the passion.
Yeah, this is the passion fruit. Actually,
and then it's raw.
You see, those are berries.
This one. Yes.
You have even guava.
Yes, I saw the guavas there. Even me, I want to have my own.
Because I can't eat without chili.
We call green pepper.
Green pepper. Yeah.
This is pepper. Man.
Yeah.
Hey.
This is for shade if you want.
So this is a highway?
No, this is not a highway. This is something where I planted my thing.
Okay.
The highway, I only have this highway to the main toilet. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the main toilet. I was just showing you that my small garden.
Not small.
But I want now to plant some pumpkin. With pumpkin, no, watermelon. And fruit.
Yes.
So this is just the
These are guavas, man.
Guavas are so many here.
Yes. And in our village here, guys, you find guavas everywhere, local.
Everywhere, yeah.
Yes.
Mostly here. Guavas were so many. There's even there were guavas in that area. Like I could even go there for 30 minutes just there. Like,
okay.
Where has this man gone?
Amujashika fuko.
No.
So guys, the traditional method of
trapping
a mole.
A mole. Yeah, a mole.
No, acha kushikili bado itakuja tu.
No, this thing is very this mole is very clever. You know, initially it had 2 holes. It had this one and this one here. Now I decided, okay, let me trap from here. But now the DD came.
Look, guys,
the DD came from here. You see, the DD came from here. He never came. No, he never came here.
Maybe he ran away. So right
no,
away
he came and cover here. He came with this hole. Yeah. And
so they want to
preventing my avocado. Yeah.
Okay. This is how we trap.
And if I'm not wrong, this tree, and if you leave for long, can it still grow?
Yes, sure.
That's what I'm seeing. So that mole is very good.
Well, guys.
Outside toilet. They designed this door. Like, you know.
She's a good designer.
Yeah, she's the one who put them together and the handle. I'm like, Jesus, when will it last? When? I say it's
Imagine
okay for
it's
starting.
a handle.
Yeah.
Actually.
And even she said now I put her this one from inside. If she come take shower,
Yes.
she can close.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll shit her there, but still I have not found those people to come and make the floor, the roof. You guys saw the roof looking nice. Can show them from here.
Yes.
It's looking amazing, yeah.
Shape.
After now painting the color, they come out now clearly, nicely, and putting the glasses.
What?
Hello, baby, will come there and
you maybe you open up a part, a small part.
Yeah, but you have to open.
Yes.
You have to open actually.
And over here, guys, this is a kitchen garden for our
garden,
neighbors.
yeah.
This is a skuma week.
We have even arrowroots,
Tomatoes.
mango, sweet potatoes, you know. And
That's the good thing about to live in our village, guys.
yeah, you can never go wrong with food. Yeah, and the food are very healthy. Yeah. So this is my land. I want this one to be my compound. Let me give you a tour another idea. Even tomato,
This is a coriander.
Yeah. If you feel like you don't have tomato,
Look.
you pick.
Hey.
This is my trees. I'm creating my boundary.
So this is our boundary.
Yeah.
Over here. So guys, I was showing you Naso's place from the far end.
Area,
So this is Naso's area.
Yeah. Even gave him access. Again, told him to put a door there. You can, you know, it's good to become good neighbor.
Yes.
You don't have
maybe
to go
one.
around.
No.
Yeah.
Use a shortcut.
Yeah. So can come through because this is going to be my compound. You see, I've planted some
Trees.
Yeah.
Okay. In nature, even me, I build. I plant trees.
But it's good. I don't know if you've decided where to go and build. Maybe one day we might decide to buy land.
I want
here.
to stay with my mom.
Or home there.
Yes.
But yeah, home
Because
is
I'm the
fine.
firstborn, I don't want to run out of my mom.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
That's best. Eh? Wow. Now me, I'm there. Yeah, my mom is there.
Yes, I know. Oh,
I want
guys.
this one to be fully compound. You gave him access. At least I can come. But on the problem of access, you see now what he's doing. He's doing that.
So this is the back door.
That's the end way. There's no problem with that.
So even you have the power. It's one post.
Just one and drop there.
One post.
And put there.
Yes.
No stress. I'm telling you, say you don't want stress. I don't want stress. Just one post and put there.
Yes.
Yeah, no stress, no going round.
No going down.
No cornering or beating bush.
Guys, I'm telling you, in 10 years coming,
Yeah.
this place will be looking like Europe.
Somewhere, something else.
Yes.
And I know some people even have bought their land, so they're not yet to construct. So I know this place will be very beautiful there.
So let's go and greet Gabi and then I'll go to Amaro.
So if you're interested,
Even this is Jamaica or not yet?
no, this is not Jamaica. Don't confuse. That is Jamaica.
Yes, guys.
Jamaica is bringing him. My passion fruit.
Yes.
But now when you harvest the cows are set up, dropped everything. But I come to make it at least
Okay.
look beautiful.
Yes.
I mean, sharing. So this you can show them the house from the back.
Yes.
So they want to put where you think space, those are glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah. And I know now at night it will at least look beautiful. Because once the lights are on, you don't see the. Actually, this house not yet. I want to make it the best I can do because this is the only house. This is the first house I'm building, and I myself have been. I don't want problem.
Yes.
I've been. I sometimes always want problem, but always want problem in a way that I create even this house, but I have to finish. This is a problem because there is money. Sometimes I don't, but I don't. I always want problems.
Okay, when you build such a house like this,
I'm also looking for problem, looking for money.
Yes. Yes. Whoa!
Oh, be careful, yeah. So, can go around and go see if my baby has finished crossing from the phone.
Okay.
Just say hello.
Hello, baby.
Yeah, hello.
Tata tiavono wevono nguchande. Hey.
Babe, you just say hello to a channel just that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Go
you.
Go interview.
I actually want to Mohammed as a family. And after this, guys, I'm going to Amara's place.
Yeah.
Oh.
So my bed is here.
Bye.
She was talking to the phone. I know.
I just hung up my phone.
Yeah, but it's good. Hello, babe. At least
Hello.
you say
How are you?
Say hi, Gabi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're working at Marwa's now?
Yes.
I seen you there the last.
Hello, baby is a hardworking man.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
a hardworking man.
What have you
Yeah.
done to your hair?
I want to become a Jamaican.
Okay, you know, in this life, you do what you want to do.
Yeah, if you feel like, no one limit you or something. Yeah, we say we always want problems.
I don't want problems.
No, I mean, I always want problems.
You? Eh.
Because you see, even building this house is a problem. Because I have to look for money.
No, but
and-
it's a good problem because
Yeah, it's a
once
good problem.
done,
Those are
we
the
have
problem
a
I want.
house. Once it's done, we have a house.
I've ever had those problems that I always want problems.
So let me ask you, both of you. Maybe when you go to rent the house and then to build your own house, which is better?
I build your own house.
Build your
Imagine.
own house. Renting is throwing money
Imagine.
away.
And it's stressful. Imagine today, if you don't have this month, you don't have money. Imagine you started stressing. Instead of getting money to eat and stressing.
Renting is like endlessly throwing
Imagine.
money in the bin.
Yeah,
The
like
trash.
every day you have to pay rent every day,
Yeah.
until you get your own house.
So you bought a food, you
Yeah.
pay rent,
You pay rent, like,
everything.
It's like
Then all
now.
your money's gone.
Yeah, it's now like you now. It's like you. There's no different you and a bird living there. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
You
better
know-
to build your own house.
yeah. It's better
For
to have
sure.
if you have your own house,
That's
at
a
least you know.
no-brainer.
Yeah, when you
Yes.
come from anywhere, you come at least come and enter into a house and
Yeah.
you'll have peaceful.
Yes.
And no one will come landlady knocking like next month you'll be late. You know, I really hate those things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've gone through a lot. This paying rent. When mostly I was in university, in school. You know, paying rent. Sometimes my mom thinks like university, like high school. You're being given dorms and sleep for free and food,
Yeah.
but you have to pay. You have to rent outside or pay for something.
Yes.
So sometimes money not there. I get in my friends. We sleep with some, but having a home, a
It's
house.
a different story.
Yeah, and.
Yeah.
Dream to have many home, not even only here in the village.
Let me sit here.
Not only in the village actually.
Squatting is hard, guys.
Yeah, it's hard. But me, I'm used to.
No, me.
I can squat for long.
It's because I'm coming fat.
You don't eat.
You're becoming fat.
Yeah, so yes, that's the reason why I'm squatting here. It's hard.
Eat too much bones. Don't think I'm coming
What are
fat.
you eating to make you fat?
Me, I'm eating ugali and chapati. Imagine.
Yeah, that's gonna put Pat on the pound.
Chapati and only rice.
And rice.
Rice is better.
So me, as long as when I get something, I say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
When it's small,
Yeah.
so
It's good to have. It's good. It's a good health.
imerizika na
Yeah.
maisha mimi. Thank you. Tese.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you for coming, paying us a visitor, a visit.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Bushman
Bushman
Dude. Because
Dude,
Marwa came here
yeah.
the other day and he was complaining. I didn't even give him a shout out. My mind is on all the work here and so many things I forgot. So don't forget to subscribe
I've
to
already
the
given a
Bushman
shout out,
Dude.
I think.
And
I've
my
even
channel
shown
too,
my-
Gabby Burst.
Gabby
though
Burst.
This is the
right
Bushman.
Hey, now this will become a celeb, bro.
Why? It's good to become. I don't want problem. Always want problems.
Okay, thank you, Gabby.
now. Thank you
So I'm going to Amaro.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for hosting me.
Say hi.
Okay, I'll say hi. Yes. So guys, yeah, bye too. So it's time to leave and I'm going to Amaro. Okay guys, stay tuned. So guys, I'm on the way going to Ayamaro's villa, and actually I want to pass at the Gitiriba land and to say hi, you know, as a teamwork. So I want to pass here to say hi to my friend Gitiriba. And this is the material over here, and over there there's Pasi building a bungalow. A bungalow. Wow, guys. So I'm just over here. Woo. So guys, I'm just over here and I want to give you a short quick tour to my brother Hegi Tereva.
Guys, what's up guys? What's up Hero Baby family? Gitiriba here guys. I am live. Hero baby, you are live from our home. Let me say my home.
This is your
Actually, welcome, Hero baby.
Thank you.
Yes. How was everything?
Everything's good.
I see you are prepare the hair. Hair. It's called hair. Hair.
So guys, me, I'm living the life which I want to live. I don't want stress.
Don't compete with another guy.
Yes.
Yes. Live your style.
My style.
Yeah. Okay, baby, welcome.
This is a White House.
The construction is going on from my side, and even see here, today is the final day. Finally today I'm painting the car. This is the final car. Yeah. So can say the final coats.
Final coats.
Even you see it's the white car.
Yes, the white is good. Maybe when far away, you can see your house.
You can see the house. Yes. And you know
and it have some maybe views from the camera.
Yes.
Yes, quality.
Yes. You have the amazing quality of the picture. And even you see inside I'm painting the pink.
And you have already put some tiles.
Yes, already I'm putting the tiles. Yeah.
Hey.
And already I'm putting the gypsum. Yeah, already I'm painting the pink color. How do you see this color? It's amazing.
It's an amazing one. And even if your wife when you come here, they can be admire this color because the pink one meant for the ladies.
Yes. So yesterday I was painting this color from outside to see how the view will be even you stay from far and see. After seeing this color, I say
it's not matching outside.
It's not match from outside.
For example, let me give you an example. For example, I am Mara Sevilla. They paint outside white. When you are far away, you see the white house. Yes. So paint white outside.
Exactly. So that's why I say yesterday you can painting the pink color from inside and the white color from outside. And this color,
everywhere is socket.
Everywhere is socket, bro. You know, I hope in the future we can make this like the office, working office. You know? Yes. Can came with your laptop, you can sit there, and another guy can sit there.
And uploading the video.
There, you're uploading the video, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, this is our plan in the future. Yes.
So who designed you this gypsum ceiling board?
It's the one guy from Tanzania. The one guy, the same guy who fixing my.
Are you gonna?
Yes. I don't maybe remember the guy.
You're a friend.
Oh. Which one? You say the house or the gypsum?
The house.
The house is the guy is called Kibitere from Tanzania. It's the mason, the guy, one guy
built to Mayuguno's house.
Yes.
It's a good. The same Mayuguno's house.
It's the same Mayuguno house, but mine is bigger than Mayuguno.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Even me, I will do the same house.
Okay.
The same store. You are a teamwork. The same color, no problem. How did you know?
Another side here. You see my brother
is painting. But
you told me told me today you can finish me the
really try your best, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Woo!
Appreciate it, man. Asante sana.
See on the camera.
Very amazing, bro.
Kiss it.
And you know from down there I'm going to painting the black.
Okay, you don't want to put tiles?
I want to painting the black car from down.
Okay, it's good.
Yes.
Wow, guys. So, guys, stay tuned.
Yes.
Me, I'm going to Amara.
Yes.
So, thank you so much.
All right. Well,
for the short tour. Yes. So, guys, just a minute, and I want to show you today we are going to work. And Mr. Gak, come you hold it for me a camera and then. How can you go? Yes, guys. This is Mr. Gaki here, Mr. Dedicated. Hey, today firewood is Limbichi. And over here we have Finding Ian, guys.
Yes, guys, this is Finding Ian here. We are cooking lunch faster before rain comes.
Yes,
you see the weather is changing.
Hey, it's changing, guys, sure.
Yeah. So stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe there.
Okay, guys. So guys, you know, up. So up means here. So I want to do some cleanness over here. What? So I want to here, guys. And yesterday I was cleaning up the back there. Oh.
Hiyo sauti haifiki hapa, inasikika ikiwa echo. Haifiki hapa. Ukiongea na hiyo ina mix inakuanga makelele hapa.
Okay guys.
Sasa inatakanga unaongea.
So I'm trying we call him what? To remove this grass here.
Weeding out.
Weeding out. Yep guys. Me I can weed slowly until I finish.
Magugu.
Oh, hey guys. Wow. So guys, because we have some funeral other side, I don't want to to get copyright. At least you see what I'm doing here. Well guys, so I'm just over here. Sasa njoo basi unishikie. Njoo. So we just over here. And Mr. Gake, I can do even inside here. Over here. And then we finish up there. So I do this way, we head this way.
Where's the quad demonetized?
No. Because of the music, guys. Shidon. Your music ikombali.
Haisikiki hiyo.
Oh! Even I can mute, no? Yo guys. So we just over here. Yeah, and how do you see this one?
Iko sawa, kupunguza magugu. Iko sawa.
Yes.
Shida sana ni mawe.
Yes. Stones are not problem. You can. When I get the fork jembe, I can dig everything. So let's go this side. These are manna. I'm cleaning here on the manna. Wow. And others you can uproot it, guys. Over here. Whoa! This idea is crazy. You must move it by using hand. Here. Come around here. Yes.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Yes.
Can you get me? Oh,
So guys, we shift.
We are here with Hello Baby guys.
We're going to find gold.
We are going to find loam soil for flower plant. How many plant flower?
Planting flower plant.
Flower planting.
Real.
Horses are grazing here.
So hey, you are my like. Really, I want my like. Wow. Shall we go to the kitchen garden?
Timrindima. We are going to get loam soil there in the dark. Na hii mvua inakaa kunyesha saa. Guys, look, it's gonna rain anytime from now.
Yes. Mambo fresh.
Mambo chiwari.
That's the remedy. Can I do the remedy? Majinadi. So here we go.
GoPro 12 mbona iko clear kuliko 10? Yangu haitoi hivi bwana.
Hey. Let's go pro 12.
Hii ukienda nayo kufilm nayo airport, guys, I'm saying GoPro 12 is kumulika ring more than GoPro 10 bwana. Hey, it's more clear bwana. And stable. Hey. And this handle is comfortable, like has some comfort.
Wow.
So we want to pick loam soil. So this is sand, and also the compound has sand. So we want loam, complete without
The
sand.
black one.
Yes, the black one.
Just past it.
Dark soil. You quit numbering there.
Yes. Past bend. So we found where?
Loam. You see, this is pure loam, dark.
Dark.
Yes. Very many frogs here. Hey. Kanda ila kona ikana hata hapa.
Hata hapa. Kuna mboga. Come this way. So we take this one.
Yeah.
So
Chimba chini tu kidogo.
we move this one. Tutaenda kutolea pale. Oh, I put men. Ini nyingi.
Si mingi. Ama ongeza hii yenye ni dark, funua hivi. Muongezea hiyo.
Ndaona simbi. Siko sawa. Unaweza pose sana. No, don't this one. Go you bring like this one first. Hey.
Yeah, this one is better in the bottom and then on the surface
Sand, then finally he put things like this one.
yeah, then I put some.
Yeah.
Yes.
Piriba, kochonjo, gofiti.
Why is
Hey.
Hey, mwaga. Mwaga mpaka mwisho. Ileta mchana. Ileta the sand. Today is supposed to reach here, guys. Over here. And we want to go other side. Slowly. Oh, did I finish it there? Of course. Oh, crazy. Put here. So after that, when Rocio planted some flowers alongside the door, and then we brought the loamy for down, and then placed we placed the flowers, and then this one, the smear, and then put some balance stones. Wow. utabeba.
Hii ni mzito mpaka nikufe huko.
Well guys, so we finished the work for today, and it's a routine here every day, home, here, and man, I want to say thank you so much for those who are watching my videos, and may God bless you abundantly, and show me some love guys, positive vibes all the time. So we just over here with Mr. Dedicated or Mr. Gake. Hey, we done locally here. Oh, and let's check other side. This is the first side A and side B. Mr. Gake, kana mbona uchoche moto? Yo, so I want to end my video here with my brother Mr. Gake. You can introduce yourself and then...
Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to Hello Baby Official YouTube channel. My name is Gake. Actually, as you can just check guys, we are just over here trying to prepare some amazing stuff over here. Whereby guys, we're just hoping that everything is going to be super amazing. So
Yes.
keep watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this amazing video.
Okay guys, I want to say goodbye. May God bless you, Amana. So let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow morning, and I think next week I'm resuming to my project. Be aware, so don't miss my project guys. Bye bye.